Hey guys, it's Bird from Inside Outline and welcome back to another Cricut video. In today's video, I will be unboxing my Cricut Maker 3. So I ordered my Cricut Maker 3 back at the end of March and I am just now getting around to unboxing it. So I am super excited just to open this machine, see all the contents within the box, and to just get started using it. You can probably see my Cricut Maker or my Cricut Explorer Air 2 right here. I will be looking, I've been looking online on Amazon to find a stand that allows me to basically stack both of these machines. So before we jump into this video, I need you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and you can also hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Let's jump in. So what I'm going to do now is to basically just cut open this box and pull out the Cricut machine and all the other contents within the box. So this is my Cricut Maker 3 and it is the exact same color as my Cricut Explorer Air 2. So I'm just gonna cut this tape. There's this. Let's open it up and see. So this is about activating my machine, my Cricut machine. Not sure if you can really see that. And then there is some smart vinyl in here because the Cricut Maker 3 can use smart vinyl to cut matless. So this is a smart vinyl removable, and this one is also smart vinyl removable. Okay, let's turn this box over again. Okay, so here is my Cricut Maker 3. What's also, I'm gonna take a seat now. What's also included in the box is a power cord, obviously, and then there is also a USB cord that allows me to be able to, you know, if I want to connect my laptop to my Cricut machine using a wire, I can do that as well. So that's that. And there's also this package that I'm about to open up. It says that this is smart paper. It's sticker cardstock. So let's just open it up. Okay, so this right here is the smart paper sticker cardstock. I think that's pretty interesting. It's cardstock, but I assume it has a sticky back. And then there is also some smart iron-on. It says that it's lightweight and long-lasting. When cutting, insert with the shiny side down, of course. Whenever we're doing HTV projects, shiny side always goes down. There is also some Cricut transfer tape. Just a 12 by 12 sheet. And then this is the smart vinyl right here. It says removes removes without residue, great for windows, walls, and more. So that is basically the unboxing of my Cricut Maker 3. I'm just going to cut the plastic off and show you some of the differences between the Cricut Maker 3 and my Cricut Explorer Air 2. Okay. Wow. Okay, so this is the machine right here, and one thing that I want to point out, I'll just lean it forward, is my Cricut Explorer Air 2. It has obviously a power button, and it has that smart dial. With the Cricut Maker 3, there is no smart dial. Because it's, you know, you do all of that online on the computer or in Cricut Design Space. You also have your load and unload button, and you have the play button or the go button, and then you also have a pause button. There is no open button, and you just saw how I opened up the machine just by, you know, pulling the flap open. There is still the compartments over on the left side of the machine, and then you still do have this tray down at the bottom so that you can store different items. And yeah, so this is the unboxing of my Cricut Maker 3. I think I'm going to gonna plug it up here in a little bit and do a test cut on some material just to see, you know, how fast it can cut, and just the overall, you know, difference between my Cricut Maker 3 and my Cricut Explorer Air 2. So yeah. Okay, so now I am about to set up my Cricut Maker 3 machine. I do have it set up right here. You can see my other Cricut right here. I just have this sitting on the table right now, or sitting on the table right now, until I, you know, find something. Right now, this Cricut machine is sitting on top of one of my printers. I have another printer over here, but for right now, this may be my setup until I can find some type of stand. I'll probably put this printer right here underneath or on top of this printer, and yeah, trying to configure everything. But anyway, so my Cricut Maker 3 is right here. I have my laptop over here, and I'm going to show you all what I'm doing to set up my machine. It has been screen recorded so that you can see what I'm doing. The website that I had to go to is the Cricut.com/setup website. So I'm just gonna come over here and click around on this just to get my Cricut Maker 3 set up. So what I'll do first is to click on Cutting Machine, and then I will click on Cricut Maker Family, and then I will agree to the terms of use by Cricut, and then I will click Open App. And that's because I already have Cricut Design Space on my computer. So then I'll just click Open Cricut Design Space, and a new window is going to open for me. So then I will click on Smart Cutting Machine, and then click on the Cricut Maker 3. And so there are some instructions to tell you how to prepare your workspace, like having your Cricut machine at least 10 inches away from the wall, because obviously when the mat is going through the machine, you need some space so that the mat can go through the machine. The next one is to plug your Cricut Maker into the wall, obviously, to get some power to it. And then you should connect your USB port, which I have not done just yet, so I'm about to do that now. And I do need to go and grab my because I have a MacBook, it doesn't have like the USB ports on the side, so I need to go and grab my that little piece to go into my computer, but I'm gonna plug this in first. Okay, so this is the little piece that I use to plug into my MacBook, because again, they're making these MacBooks and they don't put USB ports on them anymore. So I'm going to plug this into my machine first, or into my computer first, and then plug this USB cord into my computer. And I am actually going to turn off my Cricut Explorer Air 2 just so that nothing gets crossed. And so here on my screen, what I am going to do is to refresh so that it can find my computer, or so that my computer can find the Cricut Maker 3. So now I will click the continue button. And it has pulled up my account. And what I will do is to click the that I agree to the Cricut terms of use. So now everything has been updated so that my Cricut 3 will be added to my profile as well. And it says that my machine is being rebooted, so that may take a little bit of time. Okay, so it says that the connection to my, or the registration for my Cricut 3 has been successful. So I will click the next button. And there is a, ad for Cricut Access. I'll just click out of that. Exit. Well, I'll just click no thanks on that screen. And then it's asking me to do a test cut. So I'm just going to click on one of these little C's, the little Cricut logo with the ears, and then click the next button. It's telling me to confirm that the blade is in clamp B on my machine. I don't know if you can see that. So then I'll click the next button. It's telling me to insert the smart vinyl underneath the guides. And I had actually pulled out my mat, my Cricut mat, but again, this is a Cricut Maker 3, so I don't necessarily need a mat for smart materials. So I am going to put the, I'm gonna bring this camera, turn it around and lower it just a little bit so that you can see what's going on. Okay, so it says to insert the smart vinyl underneath the guides. So I'm gonna stick it in and click the load button. And as you can see, it's doing its thing. So now we'll click the go button. This is exciting. Oh, this machine is moving super fast. Okay, so the test cut is complete. So I will unload this vinyl from my machine. I'm gonna take my scissors and cut out the design. And this is actually a sunflower. I'm just gonna cut it out. Then I'm gonna weed it. So now I'm just gonna weed out this design. Gonna get this little mat that I got from Dollar Tree. I'll probably just apply the design to the back of this mat just so that you can see what the finished thing looks like. I'm gonna hold this up just so that you can see me weeding out this design. Okay, so this is what the finished design looks like. This was the test cut, and it is a sunflower. I don't think I'll apply it to this. I mean, you get a pretty good feel for, you know, what this is. I'll probably apply it to something else. I have a glass right here that I got from Dollar Tree. I'll probably put it on there or something. I did forget to mention that with the Cricut Maker 3, there is this, I'm gonna lean it down a little bit. So there's this piece right here, and it's for you to be able to put your devices such as an iPad, a tablet, or even your cell phone as well. Clamp A, this is where like the scoring wheel and some of the other different accessories can go in. And then obviously with clamp B, that's where your blade goes. So I hope that you all enjoyed this Cricut Maker 3 unboxing. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you will know every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching.